Hi, I'm Nick. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today, I have 3 reasons why you should consult with your CPA before the end of the year. If you like this video, please do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, tax planning. If you're a business owner, it is extremely important to have a meeting with your CPA for tax planning at least once a year, if not quarterly. But especially as we get close to the end of the year, a tax planning meeting can really help save you a lot in tax. You might be filing your tax return on a cash basis, and so a tax planning meeting can really help strategize the timing of your income and deductions. You might be thinking about buying new equipment, new vehicles for your business, and if you purchase those before the end of the year, it's possible that that will end up being a great idea to save you some tax in the current year. We really recommend setting up a tax meeting with your CPA to help maximize your deductions. The second reason why it's great to set up a meeting with your CPA before the year ends is record keeping. There's nothing worse than getting to tax time and you're scrambling trying to find your records. If you set a meeting with your CPA, you can really tune in on what needs to be done to make sure all your record keeping is up to date. This will help make sure you're not missing out on any deductions on your tax return, and it'll also help give you a great foundation for the next year when you're filing your return. Some things that record keeping can really help with, for example, would be making sure you have all your vendor information because you're going to need to file 1099s. You might need to make sure that you have a good payroll software set up to make sure you're filing your payroll tax returns and your W-2s when we get to January. If you have a business entity, you need to have your annual meeting and record meeting minutes before the end of the year. So this is also something that's very important to make sure that you complete. The third reason why it's extremely important to meet with your CPA before the end of the year is peace of mind. Having everything in order and consulting with a CPA to make sure that you've paid in your estimated payments, had a tax planning meeting, made sure that you've kept in compliance. These things all will help you sleep at night and give you peace of mind so that, again, you're not scrambling for deductions or information before it's too late. This was 3 reasons why it's so important to meet with your CPA before the end of the year. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social media. Thanks so much for tuning in.